Are you searching for best shop air filtration systems in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on Amazon products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best shop air filtration systems on the market. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1, Wen Air Filtration System. WEN is a popular brand of power tools that is known for making affordable and value for money products. Its shop air filtration system is quite affordable due to its price tag. This system eradicates these contaminants by catching them in one of the 2 easily cleanable filters while circulating the air in your work area. The powerful 16 HP motor leaves no stone unturned, collecting every contaminant in its path. Quiet system creates 50 to 60 dB of noise and is controllable up to 26 feet away with the included remote. The lightweight design weighs in at a mere 31 pounds. Combine this with the attached carrying handle and eye bolts for easy mobility, mounting and installation. Best features: up to 400 cubic feet per minute airflow rating, 2-year warranty, includes a programmable timer for ease of use, 3 speed settings via remote control. Number 2, Jet Air Filtration System. Jet is a brand of power tools that is known for making high-end power tool models, including its shop air filtration system that is highly powerful. The Jet AFS 1000B air filtration system quietly cleans and filters 98% of all 5-micron particles and 85% of all 1-micron particles while you work for a cleaner, healthier shop environment. 3 speeds, 550, 702, and 1044 CFM, allow you to choose the most efficient air filtration for your shop. The remote control, with built-in timer settings for 2, 4, and 8 hours, will shut off automatically at the end of the designated time, cleaning the air in your shop even while you are away. Best features: up to 1044 cubic feet per minute airflow rating, 5-year warranty, reliable and loss-lasting filter and pre-filter, automatic shutdown feature for power savings, 3 timer settings via remote control. Number 3, Shop Fox Air Filter. Shop Fox is a more affordable brand of power tools and related accessories that makes value for money potions, just like its model mentioned here. This little unit provides big results with helping to remove airborne wood dust in your shop. Turn this filter on while you're working and set the timer to run after you leave the shop, and it will continue to clean the air of the fine particles that might otherwise find a home where you don't want them. Its electric motor offers a total of 3 speeds that range from 1200 to 1750 RPM. As a result, you get up to 409 CF airflow rating out of including 2 other options. In other words, you get high flexibility while using this air filtration system in your shop. Its filter and pre-filter can be replaced quite easily without needing any tools in the process. A great thing about this is that it is able to offer all these things while weighing just 31 pounds. Best features: lightweight body with a compact design, 2-year long warranty, 3 motor speeds for 3 airflow settings. Number 4, Powertec Air Filtration System. Powermatic is known for making a wide range of power tools that are highly reliable and durable, just like its shop air filtration system unit. Introducing the 3-speed remote-controlled air filtration system from Powertec. This low-cost shop air filter system provides high-end results and effectively eliminates up to 99% of airborne particulates for your workshop. Using both high-caliber inner and outer filters, this system catches and abolishes contaminants while circulating clean air into your working area. To help maximize its effectiveness with the amount of time and space you're working with, it comes equipped with an adjustable 3-speed option, which can be operated manually on the unit or by remote control. Best features: up to 400 cubic feet per minute airflow rating, 3 timer settings in the remote control, 5-year long warranty. Number 5, Powermatic Air Filtration System. The brand Powermatic has highly efficient power tools across several categories. The air filtration system from the brand has a 3,000-hour life and effortless cleaning accessibility. Breathe cleaner, safer air with confidence. The PM1250 air filtration system with micro dust collection technology is the world's most innovative air filtration system for woodworkers. Powermatic's PM1250 continually purifies shop air with ultra-quiet efficiency by removing microscopic particulate from the shop environment. Patented filter technology works like a magnet, attracting and capturing the most dangerous dust particles from the air. Best features: 3,000-hour life, 5-year warranty, low noise operation, easy to clean. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and stay with us.